Hey guys, so this video is going to be a tutorial on this rainbow look that I created and I posted on community tab, and I received 2 or 3 requests to recreate this, so that's what I'm going to be doing here. So I'm using this color board palette and picking up that purple shade and putting it on the outer corner of my eyes. So I am basically trying to just concentrate on placing the colors, and I'm not worried about blending right now. And to further blend this out, I'm going to be using this pink shade and I'm going to be putting it on the after the purple shade. I should have put it a little bit higher. I would have corrected it on the other eye. So I'm just placing this color. So you want to be placing this color right into the crease and slightly above the crease and not on the eyelid. So I accidentally placed it on the eyelid, but don't do that. So I'm just reapplying the purple shade, and this eye I have corrected it, as you can see. On the inner corner, I'm going to be using this bright orange shade. If you know color theory, then you know that pink blends nicely into orange and it blends nicely into purple. So I'm putting that orange shade, bright orange shade, right in the inner corner of my eye. I'm slowly building this up and lightly blending this out as well. Now you can see me blending the pink, and I'm going to be blending the pink into the purple as well. Now picking up the lilac shade. Purple is little hard to blend on its own, so I'm using this lilac shade to further blend this purple out so that there is like a smooth transition. Now moving on to the lid, I'm using this bright blue shade and I'm going to be putting it right after the purple shade on my eyelid. Now you can see that I've already cut my crease off camera, and I'm sorry that I'm out of focus. And I'm also using a precision brush to put it right into the crease. I'm mixing those two colors to create my own custom green color and putting it right after the blue. Again, do not worry about blending, just place the colors. Now I'm using this yellow shade and putting it in the inner corner. Off camera, I also went ahead and I blended those shades out into each other, and I reapplied the shades, increased the pigmentation, fixed some lashes, and I'm back for the lower lash line work. And for the lower lash line, I'm using the same purple shade and I'm going to be blending it out with the same lilac shade on the outer corner alone. So after that, I'm using the same pink shade, whatever we did on the upper lid. So I'm doing the same thing and then applying this orange. After the orange, I will be applying this bright yellow shade on the inner corner. I also went ahead and applied that silvery sort of glitter on my inner corner, and so that gives like a nice pop of glitter in the inner corner. Now I'm applying a nice nude pencil on my waterline. This opened up my eyes, finishing the eyes off with a little bit of mascara. And for the lips, I'm going to be going in with this K Beauty matinee lipstick in the shade Rumor. It's a very beautiful nude. I topped it off with a nice gloss from Elf as well. This Elf gloss, guys, it's so beautiful. It's so shiny and it just plumps up the lips and it looks extremely gorgeous. So that's the finished look. If you want to see a tutorial on how I created this base, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle name is Beauty Bonkers. I'll be uploading a 1-minute video of the base tutorial in my Instagram handle, like in my Instagram page. You can check it out. And this is the first time I actually created a rainbow look, and using colors is a little hard for me. So I tried my level best. I'm trying to learn more and improve. So thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Tata. Bye-bye.